So when you're visiting a friend's house and they have so much crap in their pantry that they don't want, they say help yourself. I mean, come on. You can find so much crap in there. It's like, look at this stuff. And basically they don't use it, and then they say go in my refrigerator and help yourself. I mean, come on. It's like a hoarder's freezer and refrigerator. And you can make a few meals out of that. So when you're broke and your friends say come over and help yourself, I mean, come on. you know you can come up with something. You know what I mean? It's like, you know get jiggy with it, guys. I mean, if you're hungry enough and broke enough, just head over to a friend's house and tell them you're hungry. They'll hook you up.